Samsung is slowly but surely moving forward with its next big software update, One UI 8.5. Even though progress feels a bit slow on the surface, new information shows that development is still happening behind the scenes. This time, the focus is on two budget Galaxy phones that have quietly joined internal testing. Earlier this week, many people were expecting a new One UI 8.5 beta update for the Galaxy S25 series. A changelog had already leaked online, which made it seem like the update was right around the corner. However, the beta update never arrived. That caused some confusion and disappointment among users who are closely following Samsung's software rollout. Despite that pause, Samsung has not stopped working on One UI 8.5. Two more devices have now been spotted running internal test builds of the update. These phones are the Galaxy M15 and the Galaxy M36. Both are budget-friendly models, which makes their inclusion in testing quite interesting. The Galaxy M15 and Galaxy M36 were seen on Samsung's internal test servers with One UI 8.5 firmware installed. This confirms that Samsung has officially started preparing the update for these devices, at least internally. The firmware versions spotted during testing give us a clear sign that development is underway. The Galaxy M36 is running firmware version M366KS4CZ4, while the Galaxy M15 is running M1556K6EA2. These version numbers may look technical, but they are important because they confirm that Samsung is actively building and testing One UI 8.5 on these phones. The appearance of these budget devices in internal testing suggests that Samsung is planning a wider rollout of One UI 8.5 beyond just flagship models. In past updates, Samsung often focused first on premium devices before expanding to mid-range and budget phones. Seeing the Galaxy M series involved early is a positive sign for users who don't own high-end devices. That said, the overall pace of One UI 8.5 development still feels slow. Samsung does not seem to be in a rush to release new beta versions right now. Instead, the company appears to be carefully testing the update across different devices before making it available to the public. This cautious approach could help avoid major bugs and issues later on. It's also worth noting that the Galaxy M15 and M36 are not the first devices spotted in One UI 8.5 testing. Several other Galaxy phones have already appeared on Samsung's internal testing platforms over the past few weeks. Adding more devices to the list shows that Samsung is gradually expanding its testing pool. This kind of internal testing usually happens weeks or even months before a stable release. So while users may feel impatient, these behind-the-scenes steps are necessary to ensure the update works well across different hardware configurations. Samsung has already confirmed that the stable version of One UI 8.5 will debut alongside the Galaxy S26 series. Based on current reports, this could happen as early as next month. Once the Galaxy S26 launches with One UI 8.5 out of the box, the update should then start rolling out to older devices in phases. Flagship phones like the Galaxy S25 series are expected to receive the update first, followed by mid-range and budget devices like the Galaxy M15 and M36. The fact that these phones are already being tested suggests they may not be too far behind in the rollout schedule. For now, there is no official timeline for when One UI 8.5 will reach each device. Samsung has not shared a detailed update roadmap yet. However, internal testing activity is usually a strong sign that things are moving in the right direction. In short, while One UI 8.5 development may seem slow from the outside, Samsung is clearly making progress behind the scenes. The addition of the Galaxy M15 and Galaxy M36 to internal testing shows that the company is preparing the update for a wide range of users. As we get closer to the Galaxy S26 launch, we should start seeing more concrete news, including beta expansions and stable release dates. For now, it's a waiting game, but the signs are encouraging.